Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you about Lenovo Z5. In this video, I am gonna also tell you the detailed price of Lenovo Z5 and upcoming price of Lenovo Z5 and also expected price of Lenovo Z5 and the official warranty given by the company, yes or not. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. Now here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Lenovo Z5. Here we have built-in quantity of OS Android V8.0 Oreo dimension 153 into 75.7 into 7.9 mm, weight 153 gram, SIM, dual standby nano SIM, color black, aqua, blue. Here we have in frequency of 2G band, SIM1, GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900. SIM2 GSM 850 slash 900 slash 1800 slash 1900. 3G band HSDPA 850 slash 900 slash 1900 slash 2100. 4G band LTE. Here we have in processor CPU 1.8 GHz octa-core Coreo 260, chipset Qualcomm STM636, Snapdragon 636, GPU Adreno 4509. Here we have in display of technology IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen 16 color multi-touch, size 6.2 inches, resolution 1080 into 2246 pixel, 402 ppi, protection Corning Gorilla Glass. Here we have in memory built-in 64 by 128 GB, built-in 6 GB RAM, card micro SD card, support up to 128 GB. Here we have in camera main dual 16 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, dual additive, dual tune flash, face detection, autofocus, features geotagging, touch, focus, face detection, HDR, panorama video, front 8 megapixel. Here we have in connectivity WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 A slash B slash G slash NAC, dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot, Bluetooth V 4.2 with A2DP LE, GPS yes plus a GPS port, USB 2.0, Type C 1.0, reversible connector, data GPRS 3G and also 4G. Here we have in features sensor, accelerometer, compass, fingerprint, rear mounted gyro, audio 3.5 mm, audio jack, MP4, MP3, flag player, speakerphone, browser, messaging, games, torch, extra. Here we have in battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable 3300 mAh, fast battery charging 18 watt. Here we have in price will be coming soon. So I hope you can like this video, subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.